morning everybody! Today we will talk about the World Best City Prize 2015, awarded by the travel magazine Travel Plus Leisure in our heading Famous and Important Event Ahead. Maybe it could help you for your choice for your next holidays destination, so be very watchful. 1 year ago, the 5 first cities of the poll were Kyoto, Charleston, Florence, Siem Reap and Rome. Kyoto won with 80.21 points. People have to know that this poll can be very surprising. Indeed, when Kyoto overcame first place for the first time, 2 years ago the city was at the place 9 and last year she was at the place 5. Ranking is determined by the evaluation of landscape, the arts and culture of the city, such as food. It's also according to the number of tourists. To conclude, now we are just to wait for the result and maybe go to this fabulous city. Thanks for your consideration.
Thank you, Eugenie. Now we will talk about the death of Bettina Graziani, the 15th supermodel. Simone Michel Baudin, also known as Bettina, died at 89 the 2nd March of 2015 in a Paris hospital. Bettina was one of the most famous models of the 40s and the 50s. She was the muse of many designers like Hubert de Givenchy, Coco Chanel, Jacques Passe or Valentino. She was born the 8th May of 1925 in Brittany. She grew up in Normandy with her mother only. Then she came in Paris in the period of the Liberation. After a magical meet with Jacques Costet, she became model. From this collaboration, a beautiful, unexpected model fashion icon was born. Everyone wanted her. She was also one of the faces of the new look. This new trend in the 50s was invented by Christian Dior himself. The literal translation of this term is recently changed in order to appear more modern and different than before, but in the fashion vocabulary, the new look means the rebirth of the haute couture after the Second World War, and especially the long dresses and the luxurious ornaments. Even if her career was short as a model, she made an impact on the fashion world and what it became. On this picture, you can see how beautiful and gracious she was, and how she pushed the boundaries of beauty and femininity to create the woman that we can see today in the streets.
Good morning everybody. The northern and southern lights in the sky. The bright dancing lights of the aurora are actually collision between electrically charged particles from the sun that enter the Earth's atmosphere. The lights are seen above the magnetic poles of the northern and southern hemisphere. There are now an aurora borealis in the north and aurora australis in the south. Auroral displays appear in many colors, although pale, green, and pink are the most common. Shades of red, yellow, blue, green, and purple have been reported. The lights appear as of thick clouds in many forms, from light banners, arches, or shooting rays that line up the sky with a supernatural glow. Currently, researchers have discovered that aurora activity is cyclic, peaking, walling every 11 years. We see it the more often from midnight in winter. In this picture, we can see one of the rarest aurora borealis because of the colors. It's uncommon to see this color in the sky.